I'm frustrated. I'm really frustrated. Today is one of those days. As you can see, I'm having hose problems. And of course the camera wasn't rolling when it happened, but here we are. Luckily I've got something that's gonna fix all of this, and I can't wait to show you, and I can't wait to put it together and install it. But let me show you what happened. I've got this hose set up here. I think this is 75 foot of hose, and this piece here connects to this piece over here. So that piece is just part of a coupler that slides into here, and it gives me another 25 foot of hose. Well, hose was on and the coupler came off, so I kinked this side here and tried to shove it back in there. Didn't work so good. So like I said, I've got a solution. It's in the box over there. Let me show you what it is. Maybe I'll dry off in the meantime and we'll get started. Now this was just a one-off issue that I've had. This never happened before, but I do have constant issues with my garden hose. I've made videos in the past about garden hoses, and kind of interesting that I'm circling back here again. My garden hose history has come kind of a long way. Ever since I started using products that are applied with a hose end sprayer, the garden hose has become kind of a regular piece of equipment for me. So I've invested in my garden hose, mainly by buying commercially graded garden hoses from my local hardware store. These are the ones that have the really nice ends that kind of look like a fire hose, really nice metal ends. They're advertised as kinkless, but that's not true. These things kink just as much as the old hose, and they're just a pain in the butt to manage. They get tangled no matter how careful you try to be when you take it off of the storage reel, or when you stretch it out, it twists and it gets kinked, and putting it away is just as much of a pain as taking it out. Now, of course, if you're okay dealing with that, good for you. But for me, I'm pulling hose out here all the time. At least once a week, I'm pulling the hose out. Especially with my new project back here where I'm watering this by hand sometimes. I want to just kind of put this away once and for all. And so I reached out to a company, you might have heard of them, Hoselink. Thank you to Hoselink for sending me this setup. I'm going to show you the unboxing and give you an initial review on the product. I've seen it in action already before. I know what to expect. I'm so excited to have this, guys. This is going to save me a lot of time, a lot of frustration, and I'm going to stay dry too. So let's unbox this, get it together. I'm going to put it right over there on the wall, and I'll show you what it can do. Let's get to it. Alright, so now I'm ready to use this for the first time. I'm just going to go ahead and turn the water on here. can hear it filling up. That's good. So now I can go ahead and pull this out. This is so nice. I don't have to worry about tangled hose or anything. You can see the hose just stays nice and straight as far as I want. Let's see how far we can get it here. This is an 82-foot hose. I've just hit my back fence here. Let's go this way and see how far I can get. Is that all of it? Yep, that's all of it. So that's nice. I can just about get to the far corners of my lawn, and I can easily get over there, no problem with this hose. No kinks, no tangles, super nice. So now let's take it back over to my project area. So I've got the hose, stretched it back out this way to my fence, and I've been spending a lot of nights coming out here to the new grass area that I've been working on. If you haven't seen all of that going down, here's a link for you up in the top corner. But what I typically do is I'll come out here and hand water areas and just make sure that I get water down on everywhere so it continues to grow and fill in. We're getting there. Looking really nice. Really pleased with the progress here so far. Now, I typically like the shower setting, so I've got the shower setting on here. Let's turn it on and see how it goes. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. Nice even spray pattern. That's really good. Now, for the real test, what I want to do, and this is literally a real test, let's turn that off. You can turn it off here as well, so no water will come out. You can shut that off. But what I want to do is I want to retract this hose back, and this is the part that I'm honestly the most excited about. There we go. Give it a little tug, and it will take us all the way back to where it goes. Look at this. Oh man, that's nice. That's so nice. Perfect. That saves so much time. That is freaking awesome. Thank you to Hoselink for sending this to me. Look forward to lots and lots of use with it, and it's just gonna make life so much easier. Stretching the hose all the way out in my backyard, taking it all the way around the front to the front yard, just gonna make life really easy. This is the epitome of hose management, folks. This is what it's all about. This is the easy life right here, and the convenience factor is just worth everything to me. So happy to recommend this so far. It was really easy to put together. It's really simple to use, and it seems like it's made to last a long time. So I hope that was enjoyable for you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you again to Hoselink for allowing me to make this video, and I will see you in the next one.